Our first step for making our wreath cookies is to go over the ingredients that you'll need. We're going to need some chopped walnuts for decoration. We'll need some vanilla for flavor, a touch of salt to balance the sweetness, 1.5 sticks of butter. We'll also need some granulated sugar, and of course some flour. We will also be using green food dye. I recommend buying it in a bottle rather than trying to squeeze it out from the little drop tubes. This will make it much easier for the amount of green dye that we'll be using. We'll also have almond extract for flavoring, 1 egg, and then we'll have baking powder for leavening agent. Together, all of these ingredients will help you make our lovely wreath cookies with the green and white striping and a little bit of nuts on top for decoration.